Ayan, ito naman mga Miss VTech Write It Right laptop. Ayan, very advanced na laptop ito ng VTech. Ayan, condition niya, mami, excellent use condition to like nyo. Yung panglabas na part niya, mami, medyo may signs of usage. Pero yung dito sa loob ay excellent use condition pa naman siya. Tapos working din yung dun sa may pen part niya. May nabenta na akong ganito dati kay Ma'am Janelle Verde Floor. Pero hindi nagbubura yung dito niya kasi walang pambura. Ayan. Ito, mami, meron siya no eraser. Ayan, ito. Working to.
Hi, I'm Martin. I love to write stuff. I'm Sally. Letter 1, pick a gate. Small letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Guess the letter U. Double E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H J K L Z X C V B N N.
Ayan, working lahat ng buttons niyan, mami.
Let's try. Complete the puzzle. Free draw. Quick chase. Right number writing. Letter writing. Letter 1. Words. Pick a game. Number 1.
Dami activities niyan, mami.
Quiz time. Pick a game. Gauge. Brain teaser. Pick a game.
Ayan, sobrang daming activities. Hindi na natin isa-isahin, mami, pero yun, i-search nyo na lang siya or kayo na lang mag-discover. Pero sobrang daming activities na to, mami. Ayan, dito tayo sa number writing.
Press the number and we'll learn to write it. 6. Let's learn to write the number 6. This is how we write the number 6. Your turn. When you're done, press the tick mark on the writing pad. Press the number and we'll learn to write it. 8. Let's learn to write the number 8. This is how we write the number 8. Your turn. When you're done, press the tick mark on the right. Press the number and
Ayan,
we'll
ganun
learn to
siya,
write
mami.
it.
Tapos, free draw.
Letter writing. Press the letter and we'll learn to write it. N. Let's learn to write the letter N. This is how we write the small letter N. Your turn. When you're done, press the tick mark on. This is how we write the capital letter N. Your turn. When you're done.
Ayan. Working well. VTech Write It Right laptop. Excellent use condition. Ayan. Lahat ng buttons working. Super daming activities.
Press the letter and we'll learn
Ayan.
to write it.
Pati yung dito sa may writing niya. Working din. Ganda na ito, mami.